Yeah guys, a lot of people ask me how to buy the book. So I wanted to show you here online on my webpage. So you click www.HabitCode.shop, not .com, not .pl, not .au, HabitCode.shop. You're entering my webpage, and here you have the PDF ebook version. So you click on the PDF, you click on the screen, and you have the possibility to add that to your cart. Click, and you have that in a basket. So if you wanna purchase the paper version, here below you have the same button, get the paperback. You click, and you have the trailer, my movie, and then you have a button here, buy paperback on Amazon. You click, and what it is doing, it is transferring you to Amazon, the official Amazon webpage. Because what I did is I have the cooperation with Amazon, so they took my book, they checked it in terms of if it's legit, let's call it. After checking, they created a blueprint, and when you are ordering via Amazon my book, what they're doing is they are actually printing it 100%. So they create a legit book out of my blueprint, and then you receive the paperback directly to your home. So what you do is you pay to Amazon directly. I am only an affiliate here, because I do not have the printer machines in such a scale to be able to print hundreds of books. So Amazon is the best solution for everybody. All the best, Christ King. Amen.